And we are live. Are we live? It looks like we're live. I hope we are, and I hope the stream's coming out nicely. Hang on, let's check out what's going on. Open live chat in a new window. Sure. Be right back. I'm just gonna stream in real time to see what's going on. Hang on, be right back. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Come on. Are we on? Is it working? Stupid technology. Should be working. Hey Steph. If you can hear this, blink. Oh my goodness. I hope it's working. So complicated, YouTube. According to this, it's working according to this. Alright. We'll see how it's going. I'm just gonna keep an eye on you. Stupid YouTube. We'll see. Okay, we'll see. Just gonna check the stream again one more time. Be right back. Okay, stream seems to be running okay. There we go. Alright. Here we go. Oh, my controller went off, of course. Let's have a sip. Okay. It's all good on my end. Perfect. I'm glad. Thank you. Thank you so much. Is the audio okay? Because I'm getting paranoid about the quality of the video and the audio, that I'm not too loud enough, or maybe that the music is overpowering me, or I'm overpowering. Oh, whatever. You know what I mean. Hey, it's Albert frickin' Wesker. Yes, it's time to start the marathon. This is Resident Evil on the PlayStation 1. It's not the one on the PlayStation Store, the one that's the director's cut, because the director's cut has horrible music, as Matt would say. As Matt said once, it was composed by a deaf person, which is not true, but I took seriously because, you know, since Beethoven was deaf, I wouldn't be surprised if that was the case. But yeah, so this one's the disc, and this is the original Resident Evil on the PlayStation 1. So here we go. What's gonna happen now? No, I don't want to be smart, and I don't want to fight foes, but I will. Come on. Thanks so much for confirming that, Matt and Steph. Thank you so much. Here we go. Now, I like to keep quiet during cutscenes because, you know, to take it all in. But if there's something noteworthy that I want to point out, I will probably talk during the cutscene if there's something very important I want to point out. All right, here we go. I know it's by Virgin Interactive. We're starting a new game. I'm gonna try my best not to save.
Alpha Team is flying around the forest zone situated in northwest Raccoon City, where we're searching for the helicopter of our compatriots Bravo Team, who disappeared during the middle of our mission.
Found it?
No, I haven't found it yet. Bizarre murder cases have recently occurred in Raccoon City. There are outlandish reports of families being attacked by a group of about 10 people. Victims were apparently eaten. Bravo Team went to the hideout of the group.
I don't know why the
and
encoder keeps saying it stopped receiving data. I don't know why.
Look, Chris!
We're not receiving data from your encoder. Please make sure it's configured correctly in the ingestion settings. I don't know what I'm doing wrong. Is this... Oh, come on. Is it dead?
It was Bravo Team's helicopter. Nobody was in it. But strangely, most of the equipment was still there. However, we soon discovered why.
Yes. Is it back now? It was cutting. It was cutting and cutting and...
Hey! Come here!
I hope it doesn't keep this up. I hope it doesn't keep cutting. Yeah, it cut for me. I know. I hope it doesn't keep this up. Otherwise, I'm gonna be very furious. I have no idea how long it took me to set this up. I mean, not long, but I'm very committed to get things right. Yeah, thanks, Matt. I know it's been cutting. I don't know why. We'll see.
Jill, run for that house!
There are only
So
3
here's an
STARS
interesting
members
bit
left now.
about Resident
Captain
Evil 1.
Wesker,
The original Chris
Jill,
actually smokes,
myself.
and it's actually in the
We
cutscene
don't know
of the
where
intro.
Barry
If you
is.
notice, there's an overlay. We get Chris here, but then we get an overlay. Look,
Chris Redfield.
we got an overlay covering the actual picture. The picture is actually in this scene.
Jill
Chris,
Valentine.
Chris lights a cigarette, but apparently it was too much of a scandal
Very
for for Europe, so they cancelled it. And they did that little overlay, and they put a little
Chambers.
cutscene. These guys don't have another overlay, as you can see. Look, like Chris did.
Albert Wesker.
Is he Asian?
Resident Evil.
Yeah, I didn't notice. I don't know. Was he Asian? I didn't even notice. If he's Asian, that means if he's Japanese or something, he'd probably be Aruberto Wesker. Arubert Wesker.
I don't know what happened.
Barry! Where's Barry?
Well, I'm sorry, but he's probably...
No. What is that?
I'll go and check.
Okay, Jill and I will stay in the hall in case of an emergency.
Chris?
Take
Take
care,
care.
Chris. Man, the dialogue is horrible. Horrible. In fact, I was reading that apparently Resident Evil 1 is in the Guinness World Record for the most horrible voiceover acting, apparently. I'm gonna try to see if I can finish this game real fast. I don't know. I haven't finished this game in a very long time, so you can't tell he's Asian with the glasses. That's what I was gonna say. Exactly. I don't know. You can't really tell if he's Asian. That's what I was gonna say. remember this guy gave me the nightmares. It's not even that scary when you think about it. But yeah, I remember being terrified of this guy. Here we go. So you're half drunk, Matt. You're half drunk. Why? Why are you half drunk? Yeah, it's not about the voice acting. It's not about the graphics or anything like that. It's just about the experience, the immersion, the atmosphere. Even the soundtrack, look. It's fantastic.
Wesker? Jill? What happened to Jill and Wesker?
Here we go. Let's go. It's Jill's gun. Do you want to take it? Sure. Thank you very much. Alright, so there's no point in going in that door because there's nothing really. The door is locked. And even this one's locked, yeah? Yeah. So we'll start from the top. The top ones. It is pure nostalgia. It is pure nostalgia. I agree. Okay, is it this door? Or is it that door? I get confused. It's this door. Yeah, it's this door. We have to take this door. Now then, I need to equip the gun. And there's no auto aim in this one, is there? No, there isn't. No, there isn't. I have to guess where the zombie is. Come on. Okay. Okay, hang on. See if I can save some bullets, perhaps. Nope. Barely aim. Oh. This guy's not dead. He's gonna come up again. Ah. Alright. Alright, never mind. I'm gonna waste my time with you guys. There's more zombies to be killed by over here. So I was planning on playing this on the PlayStation 1. And I got everything set up and I got... Oh, I don't know how to do this, to be honest with you. No, I don't have enough ammo. Let's leave this for now. So I was gonna play this on the PlayStation 1, I had everything set up and I managed to connect my Elgato with my PlayStation 1 and everything was fine and I connected my controllers. Uh-oh. We're back to being this side. Oh man. And I think I have to start over with the bullets, so I think I wasted my ammo earlier. Hang on. I think I made a boo-boo already. Oh wow, fantastic. I'm pushing him. That means he's not dead. I'll be right back. I'll be back. So anyway, as soon as I got everything set up, everything was working perfectly fine. The PlayStation wouldn't read the disc. I'm like, no way! I wanted to play it on the PlayStation 1. So I try another game and it wouldn't read the disc. And I try another game and it wouldn't read the disc. I'm like, it has to be a PlayStation problem. So I'm like, okay, fine. Let me try another PlayStation, because I have another one. So I connected the second PlayStation. And it still wouldn't read the discs. I don't know what's wrong. I think I've got two broken PlayStations. Yeah, I know it's easier with Jill. I know it's easier with Jill. I know it's much harder, but... I finished it with Jill before, so I want to try it with Chris. And at least we know it's not Chris's blood. Because I know there's two ammos here. Where is he? I hope he pushes him on the floor. No, he's not going to push him on the floor, but... Come on, it's me! It's Kenneth from Bravo Team! It's me! Come on, pick it up, pick it up, pick it up! Thank you. No way! No freaking way! No way! Okay, that's not good. That's not good. I might have to start this all over again. What's my health like? Of course I'm on danger. But I've got first aid spray, so... Wow. I have 3 bullets. What am I gonna do with 3 bullets? I didn't even equip the device. the gun. Let's see. Yes, yes! I got a dodge! 1! I'm gonna probably waste... Can I pick the other one up? No, here's what we're gonna do. Quickly. 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 And... Take it! Take that! Alright, and pick up the other one as well. I'm a boss. I'm a boss. Okay, we're good now. We're good. Okay, let's go back. Up you go, Ken. Up you go. There we go. Let's take a sip. Now I can take these zombies. I've got enough ammo now. And all I need to do is just take one zombie, really. Because I can dodge the other one around, so it's fine. And I decide to take this one. Where is he? Can I try to... Let's try again. I don't know. It's worth a shot. Actually, let's go from behind. Oh, man! Man! Come on! Come on! Oh, you're gonna die. You're so gonna die. When I say you're gonna die, it means I'm gonna put my gun. What? Did I miss? Not missing now. Okay, he's dead. Now, I'm not gonna pick that up. He's dead now, okay. Drink this all the lurker. Oh, sure, sure. Lurk away, buddy. Lurk away. Don't worry. I should probably tweet this stream. I haven't tweeted this stream. Just as an experiment to see what I get from my subscribers. That was an experiment. No, 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 no. Take it. No, wait. Why am I not hitting you? Okay, we're good. Lazy Gaming, how are you, buddy? Nice of you to join. Just so we're clear, I am Maltese, just like you, Lazy Gaming, but I'm gonna have to keep it in English. Sorry, but nobody understands in Maltese, so let's speak in English so everybody understands. Nice for you to come. I'm happy that you are here. There has to be a zombie here as well. Yes, there is. Booyah.
Whoa! What is it?
Sorry, I didn't mean to do that.
You must be from the Bravo team.
Yes, I'm Rebecca. Rebecca Chambers. I'm a newcomer. I just joined the Stars Bravo team last month. Well, I'm really sorry. Are you all right?
Yes. I'm Chris Redfield from the Alpha team. Are you the only person here from the Bravo team?
Dialogue is
Well,
painful.
because the helicopter made a forced landing, I just ran into this house anyway, but
I see. There's nothing else you could have done anyway. It's good you're here.
Yes, sir. But it's strange. I serviced the helicopter recently, but something went wrong with the engine. It was such a short flight.
Okay, good. There should be more clips in the item box, if I'm not mistaken. Yes, there is. Fantastic, because I just ran out. So that's good. Thank you very much. I can put the knife. Should I put the... Yeah, let's put the knife back in. I'm not going to be using the knife. I'm on caution already, my goodness. No, I didn't mean to check it. I meant to combine. Let's reload the gun. I love reloading the gun like this, but when there's no zombies around. There we go. Now, what's over here? There should be a little tiny key. No, it's actually a mansion key. Wow, I completely forgot this game. Okay, though. Increments. Let's take an increment. It's an old typewriter. Okay. Okay. The text scrolls so slowly. No, there's no increment here. Okay. Okay. You failed me. I'm gonna quickly check to see if there's Can I come with you?
Well, what should
Have
I
you played
do
Resident
now?
Evil 4? Oh, Resident Evil 4.
If you
It's a
go
good
out to
game.
search for the
It's a
other
good
members,
game.
how about
Yeah, it
letting me
scared me
come
back
with
in the
you?
day. And I will be playing it as well on my channel because I'm going to be playing all the Resident Evils 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and even the side stories like Outbreak and the Gun Survivor series. I'm going to play all of them. I'll take Rebecca with you. Yes, sure. And
All right.
but the thing
let's
is,
do it.
it's
Yes,
from Resident
sir.
Evil 4
I'll
onwards,
do my best.
when Resident Evil was no longer
I have to
Resident Evil
prepare
we know and love.
something.
It has nothing
Would
to
you
do with
like
this
to go
game that we're
ahead?
playing. You know, all it does is just involves the same characters, and that's it. And that's annoying, really. That's really annoying. I love the fixed... Okay, zombies. I love the fixed cameras like this one. Each time you move, there's... Okay, hang on. Hang on. We can do this. We can do this. You see? I knew we could do this. Are there any more zombies? Yes, we can do this one too. And can I open this door? It's still locked. I have armor. Let's go here. So yeah, it's a good game and I will be playing it. It's coming out on the PS4 again, by the way. It's gonna be remastered. Okay, I'm not going that way. And I'm not going that way either. Quickly! Ah! Oh, don't die! Don't die! Oh my goodness, no, I'm risking that. I'm risking big time. I've used the magic key. Let's go in. Oh, whoa. I'm gonna die. I need to pick something up. I need to pick some ammo or something. This is not good. I'm not ammo, I mean health. I'm on danger. I can't afford to die. Not now. So soon. I can't risk this, but I'm gonna. 1, 2. Come on, Ken, you can do this. Come on, Ken, you can do this. Come on, at least he turned around. He died already. That's good. They don't usually die that fast. What games do you have on PS4? Let's see. Mostly digital titles, to be honest with you. I have Watch Dogs, Dragon Ball, Battlefront, Batman. I'm trying to think at the top of my head. What else do I have? Resident Evil. Oh, the Resident Evil, the Zero and the remake. They're good. They're good games. Hurry up, buddy, hurry up. You unlocked it. Perfect. What else do I have? I got Unravel. I never finished it though. I have a bunch of games, but I'm gonna be focusing. Well, I'm gonna be focusing on many games to be honest. But is this zombie still alive? I'm confused. Anyway, I know where to go next. to go here. Is there any crib in here? I don't think there is, eh? Yes, there is. I'll keep it just in case, because I'm on danger. I need some health. I need some increment or not some increment. This one's locked. Let's go. Thanks, Lazy Gaming. Don't worry. Thank you. Thanks for watching, buddy. You have used the mansion key. I'm gonna have to run. Hang on, before I run, I think there's something behind this. Is there? No, there isn't. No, run, buddy, run. Run, buddy, run. I can't afford. I can't afford. I'm only one hit away from dying. I'm on danger. I will rage quit. Oh, a herb. A herb or an herb? I don't know how to call it. A herb does have an H. So herb or an herb. Shall I consume it or not? It's locked. Carving of armor. Now then, what's inside here? Nothing. Let's plug the drain. And take a sip. And you cannot carry any more items. That's fine. I'll just use this as an excuse to take the herb. The herb, I don't know. Use. I think herb is a name. Like Herbert. It's short for Herbert. Herb. Come on. Let's get out of here, man. Move it. Now, which door shall I take? This one is useless because... No, this is useless. I'm gonna take this one. I'm gonna finish this game tonight. I am gonna finish this game. I don't care what it takes. You're gonna come back up, are you? Come on, hurry up. No? Yes? He's dead. He's dead again. Is this one open? I just unlocked it. And I need to go there actually. Let's go there. Real quick. I need to take this one down as well. I am good at dodging, but I can't dodge in such narrow areas and such narrow corridors. How does one do that? Okay, he's gone. Hang on, because I think there's another one over here. Combine? I need to get the shot. No, there's no one. I thought there was going to be one. Okay, let's take the herb. Because that's what they're calling it, the kids these days. No, I can't carry any more items. It's fine. Okie doke, let's go. This one goes in here, I don't need it, and shotgun shells are quite useless right now. Actually, let's just I'm trying to think what to do next. I'll take that with me, actually. Let's go. I'll be back. I'll pick up the herb. The herb? I need to start calling it the herb instead of the herb if I'm gonna be playing a lot of Resident Evil games now. Let's go. Should I eat? What does he do? Does he smoke the herb? Does he eat it? In Resident Evil 6, Leon turns them into pills. I don't know how he does it so fast, but he turns them into pills. Yes, Minecraft is on PS4 as well. Alright, I'm gonna take this guy out real quick. Jeez. Come on. He's gone. He's deadsies. Actually, he's not deadsies. You see? He tried to trick me. Is he dead now? He looks like he's dead now. He takes some hits as well. You're trying to trick me as well? Why do you all trick me? What's my ammo like? Oh, well. I don't think I have enough to take that one out either. Well, we can try. Let's try and take him on. This one's locked. Come on, come get me. Come on, come get me. Come get me. I did have enough, yeah. No, he's not dead. Come on. No! God dang it. No! I was on caution. I wasn't even on danger. No way! Oh man! I'm gonna start this over. That's fine. I'll start it over. This time I'm gonna skip the cutscenes because I don't feel like watching all the cutscenes again.
Resident Evil.
I can't skip this.
I don't know what happened.
Barry! Where's Barry?
Well, I'm sorry, but he's probably...
No. What is that?
I'll go and check.
Okay, Jill and I will stay in the hall in case of an emergency.
Chris, take care.
Chris? Take care.
Let's do this. And I'm gonna speedrun the first part. Let's go. I can speedrun this now for sure. I mean speedrun this, just the parts where I got up to. I can't believe I died so easily. Skipping the cutscene. You're never gonna get me. Let's go. What happened to Jill and Wesker?
Wesker? Jill? What happened to Jill and Wesker?
Let's hurry up, let's go. I want to get this over with real quick, come on. Hey Barebones! How are you? Nice of you to drop by. Thank you for coming. B is for Barebones. I just started over. My goodness. I just started over. I died in a very silly way. But now I won't make the same mistake twice. Come on, zombie. Come on. Come on. He's shy now. Why are you shy? Come on. Show yourself. Don't be shy. Oh, come on, man. What the heck are you doing, dude? Come on, I'm gonna... Quickly, quickly. No, 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 no. That's not what I came for. Come on, pick it up, pick it up, pick it up, man. Pick it up. I don't have all day, come on. I'm tapping like crazy, but it's so slow. I heard that the Japanese version is even faster than this, I don't know. Let's do this, man. Okay, go on. And I need to be careful with my shooting. You see, I just wasted a bullet there. Now, where do I need to go next? Yes, I need to go upstairs on top of the dining room. Should I take one of these? Let's take one of these just in case. I don't plan on saving, but you know. I like it there. Thank you so much. I really appreciate it. It's a surprise. I would love to tell you so much. I would love to tell you so much, but it's a secret. Let me just tell you that the first one, the durian candy, was alright, was good. The the next one, the Bean Boozle, was even worse than the durian. The next one is gonna be even worse. That's what I can tell you, but I have to keep it a secret. I'll have to keep. Some people know. Some people know, of course, some of my close friends, because I've took pictures and posted them on my social media, so... But no, you'll see very, very soon. Next week, I have no idea what date it is today, but I can assure you that... I'm gonna take this one out. Hang on. No, wasted a bullet. Wasted another. No, 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 no. I assure it's gonna be awesome. I'm gonna be eating some weird stuff. No, 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 no! Dang it! Am I gonna be on danger right away? Probably. Probably. Ah, that was useless. There was no need for me to get bit. I'm fine though. Alright, is he dead or is he just pretending to be dead? He's pretending to be dead. No, he's dead. I don't believe him. I don't know. That guy, I need to trick him into coming over this side. Hello, my friend. I need you on this side. Can you do me a favor and come over this side? Thank you very much. Thank you. Come over. Come over here, buddy. I want to give you a kiss. Come on, buddy. You are so slow. You are so... Then again, you are dead, but... I am scared of you. Look at me. I'm walking backwards. Come on, Chris. Don't be scared of him. But he's a zombie. Okay. I think we're good. Okay, we're good. I wanted him on this side. Now he's gonna be over this side. In the meantime, I'll take my time with this little thing. Come on, push. Come on, you can do this quickly. Quickly, buddy. Why you no push? Come on, what's wrong with you? Why you no push? Really? Come on, man. There we go. There we go. Where's the zombie? Oh, he made it all the way. He turned around. He's coming this way. Yeah, is he? Anyway, he's not there, so it's time to go. Hang on. I need to focus on this bit now. Who's the other guy in the video? Because you mentioned the woman. Yeah, that one's my sister in the video. You see, the thing is this: I'm trying to have many of my friends, as many people as possible, to do taste tests, and I'm trying to find people who actually have a very sensitive stomach and are very intolerant to certain weird food. So yeah, that was my sister, and the other one's Carl, my friend. And come on, I'm gonna die. Not again. Okay, so they're gone. So yeah, I'll be having different people each time now in each session. I'll try. We'll see what we can do. Now, you, Mr. Zomb, are going to taste lead. Eat my lead. Is he dead? Okay, I missed another bullet, you see? Let's go down here. It will be fun to watch, Bare Bones. It will be fun to watch. It will be. But thank you for watching. Yeah, I appreciate. Now I need to go real quick. There you go. Actually, Bare Bones, I've stocked a lot of gross food in my drawers already, in my kitchen drawers. Oh no! I can put my controller down for this bit.
Whoa! What is it?
Yes, I have a lot of food coming up.
What?
So
Oh!
it's not gonna get boring that series for sure.
Sorry, I didn't mean to do that.
You must be from the Bravo team.
Yes, I'm Rebecca Chambers. I'm a newcomer. I just joined the Stars Bravo team last month. Well, I'm really sorry. Are you all right?
Yes. I'm Chris Redfield from the Alpha team. Are you the only person here from the Bravo team?
Well, because the helicopter made a forced landing, I just ran into this house anyway, but
I see. There's nothing else you could have done anyway. It's good you're here.
Yes, sir. But it's strange. I serviced the helicopter recently, but something went wrong with the engine. It was such a short flight.
Okay, I'm back. Sorry. Put the controller down and walk away for a bit. Okay, here we go. I need more clips. I can put this here. I can swap them. Okay, good. And I'm gonna combine No, what map? What map? No map. Combine. Alright, we should be okay. Let's go. Good Mythical Morning. No, I don't think I have. No. No, I don't think I ever watched Good Mythical Morning. I have no idea what that is.
Well, what should I do now? If you go out to search for the other members, how about letting me come with you?
Will you? Sure, come.
All
I
right,
remember playing this game
let's
for the
do
very
it.
first time. Like,
Yes,
yes,
sir.
somebody's gonna
I'll
join
do
me in
my
this
best.
mansion. I'm not gonna be by
I have to
myself.
prepare
And then she
something.
says I have to check
Would
something.
you
blah
like
blah
to
blah.
go ahead?
Like what the what? And I'm by myself again. How strange. I'm gonna try to avoid these zombies. Let's see if I can do that. No, no, no. Okay, yeah. Lalo. Okay, I need to use the spray for sure. Use. There we go. I can't believe that. We dodge. This one's locked, yeah? Okay, I knew it. That was inaccessible for me. Come on. No way! Oh man, I'm an idiot. It's okay. Yeah, use the mansion key. Another clip for me. Oh, why did I not put the knife in the inventory in the item box? I'm an idiot. All right, hang on. What am I like? I'm on fine. I'm still on fine. We're good. Shoot. No. Come on! I just couldn't aim at him. Now I'm in danger. Fantastic. I need to be careful. It's a YouTube channel, they often eat random stuff, and one of the hosts has a really sensitive style. Oh, okay. I'm not sure I've watched it actually. Yes, I think I have come across that channel, yes. I think I have. What am I like? I think I can pick this up. Or not. Hang on, do I need it over here? I don't. So might as well. Trying to think. Yeah, let's pick it up, why not? Let's go. This side. Now they're gonna be dogs again, and I'm in danger once again. You have used the mansion key. Run, buddy, run like there's no tomorrow. Run, buddy, run. Man, that's hard. We're safe. Now I need to pick up the herb, eat it, whatever he does with it. Of course. Now I can't consume the herb because... No, man. No. I'm making mistakes left, right, and center, huh? I'm making mistakes all the time. It's fine, it's fine. Don't worry. Are you tricking me? Hmm? Yes, you're trying to trick me. Alright, that's good. Now then, where next? I'm going this way. You unlocked it. Take that. Let's go. I can't pick it up, of course. Oh man, I messed up. But it's okay, I can backtrack. That's what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna backtrack. So, put these there. Knife I don't need. I'm gonna take the herb and eat it. So we're good, let's go. Sometimes I feel like the game is quite random. Sometimes from just a yellow find, because there's a yellow find in this game. From a yellow find, sometimes I feel like you can die anyway. This is a yellow find, you see that? That's a yellow find. Let's go back, let's pick up that herb. And this monkey as well. This way. So let's go this way. There you are, my friend. There you are. I'm not gonna eat this one. Eat. I don't know. Use. I like saying eat though. I'm gonna keep saying eat. Because in Resident Evil 6 he turns them into pills and he eats them, like Tic Tacs. So yeah. Alright. What trip? Rest in peace. Oh, rest in peace. Me? I hope I don't rest in peace again. I ripped already. I already ripped once. I don't want to rip again. Rip City. Oh, we got cut off again. Dang it. We got cut off, did we? Sorry about that. Stupid, stupid, stupid. Hang on. Back to life. We got cut off. Sorry about that. We got cut off, but it's fine now. Now, where do I go from here? This one's closed for sure. Okay, this is a tough one. Well, tough one, really. I mean, I need to be careful with this one now. A newborn baby. Picture of a newborn baby. And there's a switch. Will you push it? Yes. Oh, I'm full anyway. I'm gonna have to use the herb anyway. Whatever, man. I need the slots. So, and then a picture of a tired, middle-aged looking man. No. There's a switch. No. Yeah, sorry about that, Bare Bones. Sometimes the software just decides to die for no reason. So we went for a baby. Now we need to look for an infant, which I think is this one. A picture of an infant. So switch below. Yes. And then this one is a picture of a young man. No. I think there's a lively boy as well. This one. A picture of a lively boy. Yes. Then a young man. Picture of a young man. And then what's this? A picture of a tired, middle-aged man. Will you push it? Yes. And finally, the old man. I'm old. Okay, I hope this is correct, because otherwise the crows will go cuckoo. Piece of death. Give me the piece of death. Will you push it? Give me the piece of death. It worked. Okay, so the crows are gonna stay quiet. If I got the puzzle wrong, the crows would go crazy. They will attack poor little Chris. I need to get me that shotgun. I have absolutely no reason to come back here. Bye. Is the stream frozen again? Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? We're gonna have to refresh. Let's see if it happens again. Let's see. Oh my goodness. Seems to be okay. I just felt like freezing for a second, apparently. Is it still running? Is the stream... It's still running, is it? Yeah. According to my software, it's still running. There's no point in going over here for now. Actually, should I go anyway and get rid of the crest? Maybe I should, yeah. Let's just go and get rid of it. I'm good. Thank you so much for confirming that, Bare Bones. Thank you so much. There is a doggy here. Come on, doggy. Eat it. Uh-oh. Come on, come on, come on. You see, if I don't check these things, otherwise I will just reload and get caught off guard. There you go. There you go. And now, there you go. That was just one, yeah? Okay, let's get rid of this one, because otherwise... There we go. I need another 3. I don't know how to count. I need another 3. Now then, where do we go next? Let's go this way. How am I with bullets? I'm okay, I think. Should be okay. Come on, up the stairs you go. That's good. Now reload just in case. And he's bleeding. Okay. This is where I died before, was it? This is where I died, and here we go. We're back. With the same amount of bullets, more or less. Let's see. It is locked. No, no, I will not let you kill me once again. This is the guy that killed me earlier. This time, you would die. I think he wants another bite. He's gone. With 7 bullets to spare. We're good, we're good, we're good, we're good. Okay, doke. Now then, I thought I had a lighter. Don't I have a I honestly thought he carries a lighter with him. Uh-oh. I just made a noob mistake. It's locked. Okay. So unless we have a lighter, we have no reason to come back here. Except for the key as well. Let me have a sip. This one's locked. Yeah, we checked already, did we? It is locked. Oh my goodness, we got cut off again. What's going on? Why? The doorknob is broken. Ooh, hello. You're coming back to life. No, 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 no! My gun is empty! Okay, that's not good. That is not good. Okay, the door is locked here, yeah? Alright, I need more bullets. Oh man, there's no way of dodging this one. And there's no way of dodging. Well, I can dodge him. I can do this. There we go. This is the door I came from. And this is the one I can go through. Ah. It's cutting up, eh? I think it's the internet connection, to be honest with you. I think it's the internet connection. It just acts up. Last time I streamed, it didn't do that. You know what I should do? I don't know if it makes any difference, actually. Actually, I don't think it's gonna. But I'm gonna try anyway. Hold on. I'm gonna quickly disable internet connections from other computers because it might drain and the bandwidth. Hang on. Okay, we're good, I think. I think we're good. Okay. Whew, alright. How am I with health? Okay, we're good. Ah, man, I ran out of ammo. That is not a good thing, my friend. What's in here? Is there anything? Nothing uncommon. Nothing uncommon. Let's go. I unlocked it. Thanks, Bare Bones. So we are here now. Where does this door take me? No, that doesn't take me anywhere important. No. Let's go down here. I have no reason to be here. So, okay, let's go this way. There's no point in going here. You know what I should do? Hang on. I have an idea. If it keeps happening again, I'm gonna try to restart OBS, see if it makes any difference. I'll try that. I don't know. It's annoying me. And I want everything to be perfect. You have no idea. It's definitely not the computer either, because... No. Hang on, I'm gonna try something. Okay, there we go. We'll see. If it keeps happening, I'll restart OBS, see if it makes any difference. I am going to finish this game tonight. I don't care if I die at the end, I will start over and I will finish it. I'm not going to bed. Alright, this way. This way, and we're going this way. It's locked! I brought it for nothing. I'm an idiot. No, not the doggies. Haha, nice dodging. It's happening more often from when you started, so it could be software. Maybe try reinstalling when you get the chance. We'll see. We'll see. Connection. I have a beast of a connection, but I have 4G. It relies on wireless. So, if the signal of the 3G sometimes acts up, you know, it could affect my stream. Because I keep getting like the stream is good and then it turns to normal and then poor and all that stuff, so we'll see. I hope there's no more zombies here because I really can't afford course. Let's look. Do you think I can dodge this guy? Do you think I can dodge? Yes, I can. Yes, I can. Yes, I can. Oh my goodness, this is the same. Ah, man. This is the same room. I've been here. I'm an idiot. I'm an idiot. Let's try this door over here. See if it makes any difference. Oh, come on, Ken. Oh, man. Hang on. I hope this is blood isn't from my teammates. If it was Jill playing, she would say, I hope this is not Chris's blood, I think. He's been pecked to death by crows. Come on, come on, come on. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up, pick up the stuff. Alright, what do you have here? That's it, just a clip for me, that's all, that's all. Seriously, I thought there was more. Okay, let's go. No, 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 don't attack me. Whew. I have no idea how I did that. But at least I got some ammo again. Sometimes it just does it, like, I hate it. I hate when it does that. Stupid stream. For this guy, for the one over here. Hang on, this one's locked. Yes, we said. Yeah. It keeps happening. Oh man. Come on. I don't know if this is. Ah, I should have killed him. I made a boo-boo. I should have killed him. Because now he reset. Oh, he's not here. Okie doke. Okay, these doors are pointless. Doesn't open this one, does it? No. I am very lost. Oh, there he is. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Okay. We're doing nothing over there, so... Hang on a sec. I just realized where I need to go next. Now it says stream is okay. says it's good, and then it says it's okay, and then it says it's good again, and then it says not receiving any data from your software. There you go. Ah! I'm gonna try restarting OBS real soon. Hang on. I'm gonna restart OBS. See if it makes any difference. Alright, we're back. We're supposed to be back, but I won't hold my breath. I won't hold my breath. We'll see. So this door, hang on. You no longer need this key. And I always wondered, how does he know that there are no more doors that require that key? I always found that weird. Why did I do it? Here we go. It's easier to play with Jill, it's true. You can't use it here. Of course you can, come on. Come on. Ah, of course. Oops, I selected the wrong thing. It looks like a book. Chris unfortunately can't read music, because he's an idiot. They should make the key break when you don't need it. That's a good idea. But again, I mean, what are the odds that the key's
It's
going to
me,
break each time
Chris.
you use it and it's the last time using it? There's no other way. Well,
Is that you, Rebecca?
you know what they should have done? They don't tell you, and they let you keep the key, and you figure it out yourself. That you may not need it. You put it in the item box.
Ah, it's the Moonlight Sonata.
Can you play?
Can you play?
I need some practice first. Hey, Jawad. Hello. Thanks for stopping by, man.
Wait. what
Nice to
is
see
that?
you. We're playing some Resident Evil.
My interpretation is off a little. Chris, may I
Will you let her
practice for a
practice?
while?
Of course. It's like it's my piano.
See?
It's not my
Just
piano. You can
relax
practice all you
and
want.
play.
All
You can
right.
poop in the piano if you want. Bye, Rebecca. Okay. There's nowhere else I need to go. I just need to kill some time until she figures out how to play the song. Sorry, the stream is acting up. My software crashed. Hang on. Yeah. Music of this game is the best. Not the ones that Rebecca's playing, though. Not the one that Rebecca is playing. Right now it sucks. But yeah, the soundtrack of the game is gorgeous. In fact, in the director's cut of this game, the music sucks. They tried to change the music to make it special edition or something. So much worse. And the only version available on the PSN store is the Director's Cut, the one with horrible music. So hang on. So what I'm playing now is the first edition that came out, the one on disc, the original one. How many bullets do I have? We said we have 4. 4 is not enough. It's not enough to kill those dogs. Let's see if I get... Well, I can kill one perhaps. I'm hoping to kill one. We'll see. Nope, that wasn't enough. Hi, Rise Vertex. Thanks for stopping by. Nice of you to join. Playing some Resident Evil, the classic 1996 for the PlayStation 1. I tried to connect my PlayStation 1 this evening and it wouldn't read the frickin' disc. I mean, of course I can play it on my PlayStation 3, but that's not old school. I wanted to play it on my PlayStation 1, and it just wouldn't read the disc. I'm still playing it on a disc, but... Yes, I know who Luca Bayer is, yeah, I mean, he's here. I mean, he's here from time to time, watching a stream. I want to check the status of her music playing. It has improved. Chris! We're all done.
Chris!
I don't know if this is time-based. I don't know if you need to allow 5 minutes or so for her to practice, or I had to do something. I don't know, like open 5
You
doors or
like it?
something. But she's now gonna open the door, you see? There's Luca Bayer. There he is. There he is. You see, you speak of him, you mention his name and he shows up. Like a boss. Nice of you to join, Luke. Rise Vortex mentioned your name
that was
and he summoned
great.
you. Like Shenron from Dragon Ball.
What is that?
What is that? She's an idiot. If you are not subscribed to my channel, guys, please do so. No, I'm not saying please subscribe to my channel, but I have good content, I think. I'd like to think that I do. I'm gonna go, Rebecca. Thanks for playing the piano for me. Ah, okay. So you summoned yourself. So you are you. You are you. Okay, we put this over here. There we go. Ding dong. I hate this part because now the clock is gonna stop ticking and it's gonna reduce the atmosphere. You see, I have a feeling it's gonna die again, the stream. I have a feeling it's gonna die again. It's gonna freeze for a couple of seconds. I got a new key. Thank you very much. Because the stream goes from good to okay, and then it dies and it comes back. I don't know why. I hate it. Last time I streamed didn't do that. Alright, there's no point in me going over here. Trying to think. I don't have a time when I'm online. Buddy, I don't have a time. I just... whenever I have time. Sometimes I can't sleep in the middle of the night, like 2 or 3 a.m. and I switch on my PlayStation, so... it really depends. Tonight, it's locked. Tonight, I'm gonna go to bed when I finish this game. That's it. Dodge like a boss. Alright, this one. Can I dodge you again? Yes, I can. Ah! Come on. Push both of you now, I think. No! No, no, no! I'm dead. I'm dead. Not. I'm boss. I'm boss. Whew! Wow. Wow, I have no idea how I did that. That is dangerous. That's some dangerous stuff, man. That is very dangerous for me. I'm danger. There we go. Danger. Wow. You also going as far as I am. That's good. There we go. I think we got ourselves another key, I think. Let's see, I'm gonna collect all these herbs. So one of these. And one of these. And use. There we go. Oh, at least I'm back to normal. But I have no idea how I'm gonna get out of this room, to be honest with you. Okay. Let's try something new. We're gonna keep this. And we'll get ourselves a new key now. Let's go. Now I can unlock most of the doors. Oh, hang on. There's more herbs over there. But anyway, I can't pick them up, so... it's a useless exclamation from my end. Dodge. Can I dodge? It's hard to dodge, man. Come on. Come on. Whew. Whew. Not easy, I'm telling you. It's not easy. Yes. Yes. But I am full. No. I'll be back. Oh no, I didn't get rid of these. Ah. Wow. Wow. Danger, huh? Danger. Now, I came here so that I can put some stuff inside the box. Um, it's very strange. I don't know what to get rid of. Let's put the small key here for now. And that's it. That's it. That's good. We're good. We're good. We're good. Because I want to keep the herb. No. No way! You are not gonna get me. Okay, though. Let's see what we have. What do we have here? We have the bullets. I think I'm one bite away from dying again, so combine. I'm getting my shotgun real soon. It requires a small key, and I don't have it. I put it on the desk. I'm an idiot. Now then, I have a gun. Whew, that was close. He's not dead. Mistra. He was one bullet away from dying. Is he dead anyway? Let's see, he's dead. But I am down to 6 bullets. You, I am not going to kill for now. Welcome back, Luke. Welcome back. Back to the chest again. I need my small key again. The thing is, I don't know if he always spawns on that left side, on the right side of the screen. I don't know. I don't know if he always does that. I don't want to risk start running right away to the left because the desk is locked. Will you use the small key? There's gonna be some bullets. Please? Ah, shotgun shells. Very useless for me right now. But anyway. You are a part of the channel. You watch the videos, that makes you a part of the channel. Alright, let's go. Up here we go. So, what's in this door? It's locked. What about this door? This one requires a password or something. You don't know the password. Ah, come on. I was just trying to exit. I'm very, very low on ammo. Once I get my shotgun, it's gonna be easy from now on. And gone. Let's see. I think we're getting close to our shotgun. Please, shotgun, make my life easier. And it will be easier. You have used the key. Perfect, let's go in, let's see what's inside. I don't want to be here right now. Richard from Bravo Team. There are no zombies here? There was gonna be zombies here, okay. Alright, I'll keep this for now. I need to get out of here. Now, where do I go next? Do I go from here? Oh man, I'm confused now. What about this door? Where does this door take me? Sometimes the doorknob is broken. Okay. Do I need to get rid of anything? No, I have a lot of stuff. Now, where do I go next? Not here, but here. The hardest part of this game is remembering the rooms. Hey Jumpman! How are you? Thanks for coming by. We're playing some Resident Evil 6, I was gonna say. Resident Evil 1996. I'm full, I can't carry any more items, I know. For the PlayStation 1. And it's not the Director Cut edition, it's the original version on disc. What do you mean I can't use it here? Come on. Do I need to select it? Will you put down the shotgun? No. Okay, there you go. Now I own a shotgun. Zombies don't stand a chance. We're good. We're good now. I am done sucking at this game now. Time to own. I'm not gonna get cocky. If I start getting cocky, I will die. Have to be careful still. So, we came from this room, we came from this room. Let's see if there's anything else I need to check. Over here, we've been there. What about this room? I don't know where this one leads. Let's see. I have, of course I have. I have, yes. Uh-oh. Be careful. Hang on. I need to be careful. There you go. Come get it. Alright, unfortunately... I don't have much space. But at least I know a place where I can grab all the herbs. Or herbs, whatever. There we go. At least I know a place which is safe now. Yeah, as I was saying, yes, I did meet people, of course, outside Comic-Con. It's weird, but it's nice. It's nice that people actually make some people actually do the thing, like to approach you and they say, "Hey, you vlogging, buddy?" It's nice. Oh. It's a lot of shotgun shells. I should have dodged these guys, but what can you do? I have to do this. Do you know who Jack Epic Ty is? No, I don't. Is it you as well? Is it you also? No, I don't know who he is. Let's see this door now. Yes, opened. Crap. It's okay. It's okay. Hello. I know what you want. Oh, you want one of this. Boom. You lost me there for a second. Combine. So I made a spot. And I can have this. No, I don't think I'll do a Q&A, no. I don't think I will. Not in the near future, for sure. Another desk, and I need another key, and I don't know where the closest chest is. I don't care. Never mind. Maybe one day. Maybe one day I'll do a Q&A, but we're a long way from that, I think. This guy wants a bite, but hang on, what do you have here? Please don't tell me I came all the way here for just an ink ribbon. Come on, I think there's other stuff. No. Aha. But okay. There's nothing else. Nothing else. In case you're wondering, through that door is where you can change clothes, but I don't have the key, so never mind. No, it's fine. It's fine. Spam away, buddy. Spam away. Okay, where do I go next? Is it this door now? Can we take this door? It's still locked. From the inside it's locked apparently. Okay. No, I won't stream every day. I would love to stream every day. Maybe one day I'll hit 1 billion subscribers. No, not 1 billion. But I would love to stream every day if I could, but come on, get closer. Come on. Come on, why are you shy, man? Hey, he changed his mind. He doesn't want to attack me. He saw me with a shotgun. Come on. He's off screen now. I don't know if he's right next screen. I don't want to keep walking. This is the only drawback of having a Resident Evil with fixed cameras. No! 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 Crap. My bad. This time. Oh yeah. Did I? Not that hurt. So, what about here? What's it? I need the blue jewel. I don't have it on me. And I hear zombies again. More zombies. Hello. Do you want to say cheese? There you go. Cheese. No, there's nothing over there. There's no point in going there. So, this room. You I can dodge, no problem. And even you, it's fine. I used to know this game by heart. Do I have the key to open it now? It's still locked. I think it's time to visit the snake. Is the stream quality down? It says bad, the status. I have a good connection, dang it. I know why. I just realized, I think I know why. PlayStation is downloading a game, I think, right now. I just realized, I think that's why. You have used the key. I think the PlayStation is downloading a game in the background right now. I need to confirm that, hang on. I can't, because I didn't save. No, I can't, I may have to save to check the menu. Because I think I've got a download going on in the background. That's why my screen is acting up, perhaps. That could be the reason why. Next time I run into a typewriter, I'm gonna save. And that's the second crest. Ah, crap. Ah, crap. Hang on. By the power of math. There we go. We're done from there. When is my next IRL video? My next IRL video. What's IRL? What do you mean, my IRL video? What kind of video do you mean? I do a lot of video. Hang on, I've been here now. Do you mean my vlogs? What's this one? Not vlogs, I think. I don't do vlogs anymore. I miss them. It's not that I hate vlogging, it's just I don't have time. That's why my name is Vlog Buddy. Alright, I'm going down here, I'm gonna put some stuff in the box. Yeah, in real life, I know IRL means in real life. But what do you mean like in real life? Like vlogging, and then I do my unboxing, my nerd block. I love my nerd block. I received the March one, and I still haven't opened it. Shame on me. I still haven't opened it. Now I'm thinking maybe I'll just open April and March together in a single video. That would be good as well, I suppose. I can put this here now, and I should keep a green herb just in case. And I'm gonna save. Hang on. Well, like I said, I mean, I'll probably open the nerd block once I get the April one. So I open the April and and the March together now. I've been slacking. I've been very, very, very busy. So expect a nerd block there, a nerd block unboxing there for sure. I'm gonna save. Not because I'm a baby and I can't finish the game without saving. It's because I need to put something in the menu. I need to quit the game real quick. Hang on. Yes. I think I have a download in the background, I think. I have a download. Hang on. No? Has it downloaded then? Hang on. It's not here. And it's not here either. So it's not the download. The excuse is not the download. I don't have a download going on. I was hoping there was a download going on because I was hoping there was a download going on because then I would have a good excuse why this stream is cutting off every now and then. So that's not the answer. Okay. What would I do when I have 1,000? I've been thinking about 1,000 subscribers for years now. Hang on. I've been thinking about 1,000 subscribers for many, many years. It's very slow, but I'm not really focused on subscribers. Really, I enjoy doing what I do. You know, share it with people, and if they like it, they subscribe. If they don't, they thumb down. Speak of thumb down, can you thumb up the video, please? Don't forget to thumb up the video, because I had a troll actually. I had a troll before the stream started because I set up the you know, like the stream appointment kind of thing where it shows the countdown. I set up yesterday, and I had there was this one person who thumbed down my stream before it even started. You troll, which is good in a way. I like having trolls because that means that I'm attracting attention. Thank you, Luke. Thank you, Luke. Let's continue where we left off. I need to put the ink ribbon back. The blue jewel. Hang on. Okay. Now with the blue jewel, we're gonna go... Where are we gonna go with the blue jewel? I don't know. Man, sometimes I get lost in these rooms. Not here. Hang on. Ah. Don't worry, Luke. Take your time. Thank you for coming. Let's go put the Suncrest back in its place. Nope. Wrong stairway. Go down again. Okay, so I need to go here. All right, 2 down, 2 to go. This one's still locked, yeah? That one's pointless. That one's... wait, yeah, that one's pointless too. And... let's go this way. Wrong area, I think. Yes, definitely. But it's okay. You see, the clock is no longer ticking now, it's annoying me. I want the clock to tick. Okay, which way? This way. There we go, I finally found the room. There we go. gives me shotgun shells. Shotgun shells. No, another crest! Fantastic. We're almost there. I thought it was gonna give me shotgun shells. Huh. I need to find out what's wrong with my PlayStation 1s. I'm so worried about that. I was gonna say sorry. Well, I'm sorry for them as well. I'm so worried about my PS1s. I don't know what's wrong with them. My babies. Now then, over there's nothing. Let's see what's over here. Okay. This is very pointless actually, there's nothing here. Over there's nothing either. Okay, we cleared this area because there's definitely nothing in this area. That door, there's nothing. We said that the door is locked from the inside, so there's no way to go over there. Okay, this area is done for. Upstairs, upstairs. We're going upstairs, buddy. This way. Welcome back, Luke. Welcome back. We're still struggling, trying to find which is which way is which. I don't know. Is it this door? I'm lost. Yes, okay. This door is good. This door is good. Let's pick up an herb, or a herb. Thank you. So yeah, he's dead. Richard from Bravo team. Let's go. You cannot see me. I'm invisible, man. You cannot meet me. I'm invisible. Haha, you can get me. Haha. Eat this. Ah, you're back for more, huh? Bye. Okay, let's go. Let's see. I probably need the lighter in this room. Because even though you can pretty much see everything in this room, a candle. Even though you can pretty much see everything in this room, apparently. No. No. I'll come back for this later. Don't worry. I'll come back for this later. No problemo. Let's check out your profile pic. Your profile. Yes. I like your profile pic. Let's go. Hang on a second. I think if I use the key, it will ask me to throw it away. So I'm done with this one. So going back in, get the bullets. No, you're not bothering me, Luke. You are not bothering me. That's why I'm here. That's why I'm here, to talk to people. To hang out with you guys. Will I finish the game? I want to finish the game before I go to bed. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna equip the shotgun just in case. I got 4 rounds. We'll see. Come on, Ken, you can do this. No, you're not. No, you're not. Definitely not. Now, can I collect something from here? Books and gadgetry. Nothing unuseful. Okay. Okay. Come on. I can do this. Okay. Please don't die, Ken. That's one. Okay, I got it. No, I'm an idiot. I'm a super idiot. Hang on. Come on. Whew, I did it. What? Who's Daniel? Who's Daniel? Did you name the snake Daniel? You didn't. He didn't get poisoned. Phew! I thought he was gonna get poisoned. The snake is not called Daniela. Now then, which way? Oh man, I forgot. Nope, wrong door. This is definitely not the right side where I need to go now. Let's see. Nope. Maybe this door? I don't know. Confused now. No, this is where I came from. I'm an idiot. Now where do I go from here? I mean, I know where I need to go, I just don't know how to get to the room that I need to get to, if that makes sense. That's it. I had enough of it. That's all I can take. Now which way? I keep forgetting. No, that way doesn't make sense. And this way doesn't make sense. This way doesn't make sense. This way. Maybe that. Okay, yes, I know where I need to go. Yes! No, I don't. Ah, poo. I don't know where I need to go. Trying to think hard where I need to go next. I'm not confused right now. I know where I need to go. Just don't know how to get to it. Not here. Not here. Okay. This way. And this way. Finally. Took me forever to get to this area. Okay, I feel like I finished a big, well, not a big part, but a chunk of the game now. So, that's good. There we go, and the door is about to unlock. There we go. Good boy. Up there's a crank, I need it. Hang on, let's get it. I need to push this to this side. Oh, it's so specific. Why do you have to be so exact? Maybe like this? No? Maybe a bit more. There we go, we got the crank. There are no supplies. There's nothing. An old barrel. Uh-oh. Oh, another small key. I'm wondering if I should take it or not. Not for now. I'll be back. I'll be back and I'll take it then. For now, I am just gonna chill. Okay, there's doggies in here. Stupid doggies. Ouch. Water, water, go away. The water is running down the opposite side, I know. But for some unexplained reason now snakes start falling from the trees because now that I moved the water. Well, actually it has nothing to do with it because it's on the other side, so. So many snakes! And we're here. Okay, hang on. Are there any more doggies? Yes, there is. Be careful, buddy. Run. Dodge. Run. Run. We're almost there. Good. Ooh, I didn't expect dogs here. Ouch. Run, 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 run. Whew. I did it. Whew. Alright, let's get one thing out of the way first. Ooh, so close, and I didn't do it. Ah, now I'm gonna get hit by the frickin'. Ah. Come on! Leave me be! Oh crap. Now I'm on the other side. Alright, hang on. This was a bit weird. Hang on. Like this, perhaps? Haha. 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 I can't come out. Alright, so, hang on, how am I? I'm on caution. There's only blue herbs here. Alright, no worries. Worry not, my friend. Okay. Clips, thank you very much. Spray? No, I don't play Call of Duty, and I never, ever, 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 ever will. No, I'll never play Call of Duty. I hate Call of Duty. I think I should leave the crank here for now. Where's the green herb? There's a green herb here. I'll take it and I'll use it. Not the map. And I'm fine. Because it's a very generic game and it's always the same thing. It's always the same thing. If you want to play a shooter, play something different. In my opinion, play something different if you want to play a shooter. Play Star Wars Battlefront. It's fantastic. Play, I don't know, Borderlands. Ah, I love this music. Hang on, hang on, hang on. Now that I have bullets, might as well use these, eh? Is the other one over there shy? Come on, man. Show yourself. He's gone. Oh, Star Wars is awesome. Star Wars is gorgeous. I think there's something in this book. Hang on. I forgot. No, the stupid map. Examine. Check. It's blank. All pages are blank. I thought there was going to be something. I thought there was going to be something in the book, but there's nothing. Nothing unusual. Is there anything in the cabin? Nothing unusual. There's probably going to be another key in here, filled with muddy water. Will you unplug it? Why is there so much muddy water in this mansion? Who showers here? Well, sure, takes a bath for you. Or maybe there's clips, perhaps? I'll gladly take clips. It's a key! Shows how much I don't know this game by heart. There's a toilet? So, that's a safe room. This is the room I've been in. Is it open here? Yes. Oh, there's gonna be spiders in here. I hate spiders. Okay, hang on. Be fast, buddy. It looks like a clock dial. Some kind of a code. Hang on. 3 ball, so it's a 3. It's a 3 and that's a 9. Stop attacking the spider. Don't attack me! Don't attack me! Ah! I will shoot you. Alright, so take these. There's something on the table as well. Probably a lighter. No, incredible. I thought lighter. Why did I say lighter? Well, depends what you mean by YouTuber friends. I mean, I have friends that have a YouTube account. So, but I don't know what you mean. PewDiePie is not my friend. So, if that's what you mean. More spiders here, by any chance? It's locked. I think there's gonna be bees here, hang on. Come on, take the key real fast. I probably can't because I can't carry any more items. Nice, Ken, nice. And now there's gonna be bees. No worries. Thanks for coming, Luke. Thank you so much. Take care. Have a good night. wrong way. Let's put some stuff in the box because I'm always full. So the book we can leave here. What else? I'm pretty much full. And no, that's it. That's it. Okay, let's take the key now. We can take the key. Take the key away from the bees. Bees, I'm here to collect the key. Come on, run. Can I open this door now? It's still locked. It doesn't really make any difference. Whew. Run. Whew, did you hear that? They made a noise. They made a fart noise. Now, which way? Let's see. Would you like to discard it? Yes, that gives me more space. And we don't need the book yet. Alright, I thought we were going to need the book. So, what's in here? Plants for the past. Okay. Exit. The desk is locked. Always find desk when I don't have the key. That's alright. I can still go down from here, but first I'm gonna quickly check what's inside this door. I hope it's not worth. I hope it's worth it. I was gonna say I hope it's not worth it. I hope it's worth it. Okay, there we go. Well, cost me 6 bullets to kill him, and I collected another 15, so that's good. I didn't even kill him, but... Ah. Come on. Let's go. There's a letter. Will you descend it? I love this song too. Track. Alright, before I start pushing crates, I'm gonna quickly check to see what the situation is. Hang on. Okay. Fairly simple. Oh, come on, Ken. What's wrong with you? Push. I need to push this away. Seriously, it's a good thing I checked the situation. Hang on, I got confused again. Hang on, the camera got changed and I got confused. Hang on. So this needs to be pushed out this way. Slowly. I used to think it says UHB, but it says UMB actually. I used to think it says UHB. I was like, what's UHB? But now I realize it stands for UMB, for umbrella. I'll take a note just in case. I always get confused what I need to do next. No, it's not here. This is not where I need to go. Something in the water, but I don't know what it is. Another small key. So many small keys! There's a shark here somewhere. There it is. I told you. Get away from me. It's locked. There's no keyhole. Come on, come on, come on. You have to use the key. Okay. Open, open, open. No! Stupid. Okay. Quickly use a herb, just in case. Okay, I need to reload the gun. There's a lever. Will you move it? I like to move it, move it. What does this button do? There's a sound from the room next door. Okay. Nothing special. Opening this door. Some supplies. Yes, now we're talking. space for... Yes, I do. Let's go get that key now. This isn't where I came from. Let's get that key. Okay. I didn't get any key items from down there. I'm thinking. I didn't get any key items from down there, did I? So why did I go down there? It's very strange. I'm confused. Okay, there's a desk which I can open now. Please give me something useful. Yes! Now that is useful. We've been in there, yeah? We've been in there, yeah. Now we go this way. Hang on. I'm not full right now. Okay. I'll just save it for later. I'm confused. Did I go through this door? Oh no. There's a panel with number keys. Will you push the keys? Yes. Is it 3, 6, 9? No, this. I need these to light up, yeah? Uh-oh, this might take a while. Come on, sooner or later I'll open them. Come on. I forgot what I need to do here. Oh man. Come on, buddy. No. Come on. Okay, I think I did it. No, I didn't. Oh! No, I thought I did. Yes, I did. Don't ask me how, because I I have no idea how I did it. It's gonna say that I can't read chemicals. Something is written on the wall. Oh, I think I can. I think I can handle chemicals. It's useless. Chris doesn't. Okay, yeah, there we go. Yeah, all the effort for nothing. Let's get out of here. Locked. 003. Hang on, so what is this? Oh my goodness, I put the key. Did I put a key in the chest? I forgot. It won't move at all. It seems to be obstructed from the other end. Yeah. Okay. Did I put something in the... I have a blank book. But the blank book is useless right now. I am missing something. I am totally missing something right now. Hang on. Is there something in there? What was there? Okay, hang on. Let's find out. Probably a small key if I'm not mistaken. There's nothing here to collect. Ah, that's new. No. I am so missing something here. Definitely. Hang on, hang on, hang on, hang on. Go back. No, it's not here. No, definitely not here. Maybe I missed something in the basement. down. I'm very confused right now. Maybe I missed something downstairs. I keep thinking I missed something. Wow, there's nowhere else to go. I'm gonna quickly go downstairs again because I keep thinking that I missed the key item downstairs. Let's see. I'm not gonna collect the herb because I keep thinking there's an item here that I missed for sure. No. There's nothing else. There's nothing in this room for sure. Maybe this room? I don't know. What did I miss? Oh, shotgun shells. Well, thank you, but it's not what I was hoping for. Ah, there it is. You see, I knew I missed an item. It just didn't feel like sparkling. What a waste of my time. Let's go. I was like, how come I didn't pick up a key item from a key area, you know? Let's go. We're good now. And now, I don't have space for that herb. Am I poisoned? No, I'm fine. Okay, sorry about that. We just got cut off for some reason. Internet acting up, it's called. Oh man, sorry about that. So, where was I? Yeah, we were gonna open that door. Come on. Why did you do that? Why didn't you just exit the menu? Okay, I need the book. I need the frickin' book. I have to come back. quickly get that. I need the blank book. Sorry, I got cut off. It happens. The internet is acting up. Usually I have a very, very, very good internet connection, but today's it's just, I don't know. Okay, hang on, let's go. We can do this. Okay. This is the door, right? No, this is not the door. No. It's this one over here. Oh. So, I need to put the book here. Oh, come on. Right, like that, yeah? I need to take the white one. I don't have enough space. Okay, that's just the VJolt report. Okay. Now our book is missing. I know that. Okay. I'm gonna quickly check what's in the other door. Am I? Okay, yeah, I am. I thought I was not equipping the gun, but I am equipping the gun. What about here? Ah, another lock. No, no, no. I stared too much. I was staring. My bad. No. My bad. I was staring somewhere else. I keep getting cut off. I know. Ugh. It's annoying me. I'm gonna stop streaming because it's annoying me. In frames. No, there's no way I came in here for nothing. Come on, there has to be other stuff. No, just a clip. Just a clip. Nothing special. Okay, here we go.
Chris!
Rebecca, no, it's no use. The roots of it are in the basement. You can... Whoa!
Chris!
Take this file with you. Use the information in it in order to make the potion and kill the root. Becca, please.
Oh no.
Chris! Don't
oh,
die!
just wait here. And now we've changed character. Okay, I know where I need to go. So, let's go. Let's start doing this. I need, well, I take the empty bottle. Yes, I need around 3 bottles, I think. Three is enough. Okay, so let's start. Something is written on the wall. So 1 plus 2 equals 3. 3 plus 4 equals 7. So 1 plus 2 equals 3. Let's make a 3 first. So, will you put the water in an empty bottle? Yes, so that's a 1. Thank you. And then, there's a number. I don't need that, no? No. Number 2. So 1 plus 2 combine. 1 plus 2 equals 3. So, and then something is 3 plus 4 equals 7. 3 plus 4 equals 7. So I need to get some 4. No, I don't need this. No. No. So 3 plus 4 equals 7. Combine 3 plus 4 makes a number 7. And then what we need to do next is 2 plus 4. So we need to get some 2 plus 4. So that's we need some 4. And some 2. So that means 2 plus 4. We have a 6. Now we need a 6 plus 7. 6 plus 7. So 6 plus 7. This combined with this. We have a number 13. And again, we need to create a number. We need to create a number 3. So 1 plus 2. No, I don't want the bottle. Stupid. No, not this one either. So now, combine, 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 combine. V-jolt. I can always say J-volt. So we're done. Let's go. And let's quickly go inject the thing. This is all a waste of effort, actually. Look. Come on. I don't care. Come on. Let's go. I'm frozen for sure. I'm not actually. We're good. We're good. It's gone now. You are pudding. Looks like pudding. Alright, here we go. I don't think I should have killed it. I mean, I don't think I needed to kill it, to be honest, but... Okay, here we go. I think there's a cutscene now.
Oh! I can't believe it! Are you okay?
Yeah, so much for him. We got to the root of the problem. Saved again.
I just...
Really, thank you.
You'd do the same for me, wouldn't you?
I guarantee it.
Well, Chris, this is Richard's radio. We received communication from Brad at the courtyard a little while ago, but he is still flying around in the sky. He obviously couldn't hear our voices. Maybe his radio is broken.
I see.
Understood. I'll keep it. We should somehow let Brad know we're here.
Okay.
At the pharmaceutical room I found a little while ago, I think I will be able to make something. Anyway, Chris, I'm glad you're safe.
Let's go. That's over. I got a key. I can go back to the mansion. And I'm sure there's a few other doors that I need to open.
Wesker!
Chris, you're alive.
My words exactly. Where's Jill? Aren't you with Jill?
I'm sorry. We were attacked by a strange monster. I lost track of her while we were scouting around. I hope she's okay.
I see. Well, it's not your fault. This place is crazy. If we stay here, all of us will end up dead. What should we do, Wesker?
We have to complete this mission. Whether we escape or stay and look for Jill, we don't have many bullets left, and we can't even protect ourselves. We're still in trouble. Chris, there are a lot of locked rooms in that house. Check them out one more time. There must be a place to hide safely. I'll look around the house a little more.
Okay.
Let's get going.
Okay, I'm back. I love squishing these. Come on. I don't know. It's like bubble wrap. Oh, come on. How's my health? I'm on caution. No. I need to remedy that. I am so full. No. I have 7 shotgun shells. I should be okay. We'll see. You know what? It's a blue herb. Let's just take it, because you never know.
this is Chris. Brad, can you hear me? Damn!
Oh, crap. I needed the green herbs more than I needed them. Ah, well. What can you do? Let's go. This is too easy. There we go. I cleared the area. That way, I can walk around comfortably. Don't you think? Now I'm gonna need a battery. A battery. It doesn't work. No, it doesn't work. No, I'm not gonna even bother trying. Ah, you deserve it. Whoa! Oh my goodness. I hear another dog. I'm not gonna bother. Let's get out of here. Oh no, I forgot about these. I am not gonna bother with you. I should equip my shotgun just in case. I'm not at the... I'm not so comfortable. Oh my goodness, oh my goodness, oh my goodness. Run, buddy. Oh my goodness, you have no idea. The goosebumps I got. That was scary. I didn't expect that to happen. Okay, run, run, run. I don't know how the spiders got here, but run. Phew. We're good. Here's what we're gonna do. Not much to do. Okay. Let's go up here. Oh. My goodness, how many shots does it take? Alright. It took 7. It took 7 hits. Whoa! Run, buddy, run! Oh my goodness, they're everywhere! Oh, I'm gonna die, I'm gonna die, I'm gonna die. Or not. I have no idea how I'm doing this. They're everywhere! There's more down here, and I'm gonna make it. I'm gonna make it. Wow. You know what I'm looking for? I'm looking for some healing item. I'm on danger, my goodness. So this goes here. I don't have a healing item. I'll take the shells. You know what I'm gonna do? Because I'm not satisfied with the stream, I'm gonna have to stop here. Because I don't like the quality of the stream. It's not the way I want it to be. I'm gonna have to stop here because I'm not very comfortable with the quality. So I'll stop here. I'm gonna put these here. I'll take the one ink ribbon that I have. And I'll save here because I'm not very comfortable with the quality of the stream, so we'll continue next time. We're halfway through the game for sure. Even more, I'd say. Okay, that's it. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.